Hello, I'm John Hebert, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a stealth module on a 2011 to 16 LML Duramax. This is a 2014. Alright, so the box comes with everything you need. You get your instructions, you get your selector switch, because there's off, low, medium, and high. You get your wiring harness, the actual stealth module, and a pair of cable ties to attach your stealth module inside your engine bay. All right, first we're going to get our wiring harness out. I'm going to show you how to connect this guy. The first connection is going to be made at the fuel rail pressure sensor, which is not this one in front, it's this one in back. There's a clip on here on top. By pressing down on this with your thumb, you can release it. Now on your wiring harness, locate these two plugs. Now the shorter one here is going to go right where you just unplugged the connector. Give it a little tug to make sure it won't come out. And then the longer one here will go into the portion that you unplugged. And I give that a little tug to make sure it won't come out and it's secure. All right, that portion's done. And then the second plug is going to go right here in your MAP sensor. So press this tab on top and you can unplug this and get the other two connections on your wiring harness. There we go. Okay, now the fourth one will plug in here. All right, give that a little push to make sure it's connected. All right, give it a little tug, make sure you don't press down on that when you do. All right, that's secure. Okay, next we're going to get the end of our wiring harness with one line up, not the two lines up. Plug it into the stealth module. Give it a tug to make sure it's secure. And then grab your selector switch, wiring harness, get the white plug on there, and plug it into the stealth module. And now you just have to secure these in your engine bay, and you can run this up into the cab if you want. I'm going to use the pair of zip ties that were provided to secure it right underneath this. Yes, installing a stealth module on an LML Duramax really is that easy. You can actually do it in about 2 minutes, and that's all there is to it. It's simply plug and play. It doesn't leave a fingerprint on your computer. It increases torque, it increases horsepower. It's absolutely amazing.